we're reviewing the 2027 DS number 7, the new representative of French luxury. Replacing the DS7, the new number 7 boasts a sharper, more modern design. The illuminated grille, ultra-thin LED headlights, and dramatic lines at the front are particularly striking. It has been extended to 4.66 meters in length, but still remains in the compact SUV class. Inside, there's true French luxury. High-quality materials, quilted leather seats, ambient lighting, and a massive 16-inch touchscreen create a premium feel. The trunk capacity reaches up to 560 liters, making it quite practical. The engine options are also extensive. The 1.2-liter hybrid version offers 145 horsepower, while the fully electric E-Tense versions offer power options between 230 and 350 horsepower. The long-range electric version, in particular, promises a range of 460 miles, approximately 740 kilometers. The DS No. 7 aims to differentiate itself from rivals like the Audi Q3, BMW X1, and Mercedes GLA with its bold design and comfort. Its price is expected to be between £38,000 and £52,000 in the UK. Do you think the DS number 7 can succeed in this premium SUV segment? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.